Okay, so I want to introduce you to another app that you can use on your browser, on your computer, or on your phone, or on your tablet. And it's a very powerful app, and that app is called Evernote. And Evernote is another great app that you can use that can help sync all your notes all together, keep it all your notes digitally. And if you're a note taker like myself, or if you attend live seminars, or you listen to audiobooks, or you're reading books, and you're trying to streamline everything and put it all together and keep it all organized, this is another powerful software that I want to show you that you can use that is really going to help keep everything in one place. The most powerful thing about note taking and keeping your notes organized is some very important features, and those key features are going to be what's called a hashtag and a label or a tag, and I'll show you those in a minute. So here we go. I'm just going to kind of like say Monday Millionaire Mindset. All right. So I'm just going to kind of create a note here. Like, as you can see, as I create this note, there's a lot of different things you can do. Yes, you can change the font, the format. It basically has a decent word processor here. There's a lot of things you can do with this processor in place. So it has a built-in word processor. You can also share your notes. You can share it socially. You can also share a link to it as well. And you can do that by individual notes as well. So as you can see, I just kind of created a note here, and you can add images to each note that you take. You can add hyperlinks to websites and whatnot. But here's another powerful feature that I wanted to bring up, and that is creating a tag. Creating a tag is an important thing because it's going to help you search. It's going to help you search your notes. Okay, that's enough there. It's going to help you search your notes in a powerful way. So in this case, I just labeled this tag, this note right here. I labeled it a few things: money, live event, and seminar, right? So that's what it's labeled as, and that's just a post that's there. Again, there you go, created 43 seconds ago. I am going to create another one just to keep this moving forward. Ideas, and in here I'm going to create a hashtag, and I'm going to put table salt. Okay, just want to make that important there because it's under ideas and table salt is in there. I'm going to bring that up in a second. Here are some powerful shortcuts that you can use, right, and that's embedded into each. Let's go back here, show you what that is. That's up here. Okay. And then right here, those will be your notes. That's where your notes will be listed. Here's notebooks. Now, the cool thing with a notebook is like having a different journal, or, multiple notebooks. Let's say you want to have one entire notebook just all about private money, another notebook just all about notes and note buying, another book all about wholesaling real estate, right? Or another notebook just all for your ideas, your $1 million ideas. You can do that. All you do is simply click and add a new notebook. Gotta make it look good, right? All right, and then you just create the notebook, and now you have a brand new notebook, right? And in that notebook is where you'll add, again, more notes, right? You just continue along and add more notes. Again, I want to show you a really important feature right here is your tags. You can do it by finding tags. You can add a new tag right up here, right? You can add your tag, and then there's the tags you've already created. Now look at that. Do you see what just happened? I click on a tag. Right? Right now, in this example, I'm showing you, I got one tag under live event, another tag under seminar, another tag under money, and I can either create a shortcut to it, I can edit the tag, or I can just delete the tag altogether. But why is this so important? Because if I create a tag that says about private money, well, I don't have anything tagged to private money yet, but if I did, it will populate there. Now, I did do one on seminar, right? Yes, I did. Great. Now, because there's one tag, one note that has seminar, all the notes will populate for seminar, right? Very powerful feature. Now, you see how that's so powerful whenever you're writing notes. Just imagine what this does for you all together right here. Have you ever been in a position where you've had bundles or piles of notebooks or yellow pads, and you knew that you had some golden nuggets at a live seminar, or on a webinar, or on an audio training, or you're reading a book, and you wanted to go pull that exact idea, right? You wanted to go back to that one idea from that particular audiobook or training. Well, guess what? Here you go. This is how you do it. You do it through tagging and through searching. Now, another thing I want to show you now, because notice here, so this avoids the whole searching through every notebook, searching through every, where did I put those notes? You don't have to do that anymore. Now, I showed you here, remember how I wrote that word table salt in one of those notes? Notice it's not a tag here. However, I do want to search for a note. And I want to type in table salt. Well, not table sale, table salt. Notice how in a very powerful feature, notice how inside of the note called ideas, I have a hashtag, right? Hashtag table salt, right? You see how powerful that is? That means I'm not just searching by a specific note. I'm not searching in a specific notebook. I'm actually not just searching by a tag. I'm actually doing a search by a word, right? You see how powerful it is? Let me show you another way. So I'm going to add a note here, and I'm going to call it new note. And I'm going to add another tag here, some notes down here. I'm going to call it, I'm going to do Apple. Do the word iPhone for now. Okay, and that's all. That's it. Click done. All right, so now I'm going to go back over to my notepad, right? I have a bunch of notes here. Shows a list of all the stuff, right? But now I'm just going to go to a search, and I want to type in Apple, and look what it pulls up, the word Apple. So you can do it by hashtag. You can do it by keyword. So you see the power of that? Every word that you put in, every hashtag you do, every tag you do, is going to pull the power of search, right? Here's the most important thing. You can spend a lot of time searching and searching and searching through notes. But what's important, if you stay organized, even starting now with an app like Evernote that syncs on all your devices, whether you have an Android phone or an iPhone, it's a great app that you can use, and it syncs on all your devices, whether you're using a PC, a phone, a mobile device, or a tablet. It syncs all your notes. And you can add a boatload of features on here, but I would recommend that you dive into it, use a software like this to help you stay organized. And you can they have different versions of the software. There's different versions of Basic, which is free, but they have another step above that, which is a small yearly fee, and another step above that, which is another yearly fee. So pick the one that's right for you. Here's what's important. Just get started. Start with the free version and get started with using great apps like Evernote.